Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Star Trek Voyager Across the Unknown if it's not launching or keeps crashing on your PC. Follow each solution step by step, and your game should be up and running again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Star Trek Voyager Across the Unknown. Right-click it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair any corrupted files. Once it finishes, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU. Select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest graphics driver. Solution 3. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu, type NVIDIA app and open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. Install any available updates. Solution 4. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download vc_redist.x86, then download vc_redist.x64. Next, locate the downloaded files. Double-click vc_redist.x64. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for installation to complete and click Close. Do not restart yet. Double-click vc_redist.x86. Accept the terms and install it. Now restart your PC, and that's it. After restarting, launch Star Trek Voyager Across the Unknown again. The crashing or launching issue should now be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.